In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Add to Cart button on Squarespace. If you're running a portfolio, catalog, or a site that showcases products without taking orders, removing the shopping features can keep your design clean and your visitors focused on the content. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to turn off the cart so the Add to Cart option no longer appears for your visitors. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. On the home page, click Login. Sign in with your account details as you normally would. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them listed in your account. Choose the website where you want to remove the Add to Cart option so you're working in the right place. From your site's dashboard, click Go to Website. This opens the live view of your site alongside the Squarespace controls, which makes it easy to see changes as you make them. Next, click Edit Site to enter editing mode and then click Edit to enable on-page editing. You'll see editable regions highlight on hover, which means you're ready to adjust the site's design and elements. Now move your mouse over the header area at the top of the site and select Edit Site Header. The cart lives inside the header as a site element, which is why we're making the change here. In the header settings, choose Add Elements. This panel lets you control the pieces that appear in your header, such as navigation, buttons, and the cart. Locate the cart element and turn it off. Depending on your template, this may appear as a toggle or as an item you can remove from the header. When you turn off the cart icon will disappear from your header. In most templates, this also effectively hides or disables the Add to Cart option across your site, preventing visitors from adding items and signaling that your site isn't accepting purchases. Take a moment to preview a product page or a shop section to confirm the change. If you still see an Add to Cart button after turning off the cart, refresh the page or check in a private browsing window to clear any caching. What you're aiming for is a clean product display without purchasing options. That's all there is to it. You can always return to the same header settings later and turn the cart back on if you decide to accept orders again. This simple adjustment helps your site function as a gallery or catalog while keeping the browsing experience straightforward for your visitors.